If you encounter this error code FHE01 game crash, to fix it, open Task Manager and close the Forza 6 game application. Once you're done, check my video description for this mod download link. Scroll down and select the manual download option, then select slow download option, and it will start downloading. Once download done, select the folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Then drop this DLL file inside of a game folder and now you can launch the game. And this way you can play on unsupported AMD GPUs. So I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.